When you think about improving your workspace, what's the first thing that comes to mind? A better chair, a bigger desk, maybe faster tools or better organization. But there's one element that often gets overlooked, yet completely transforms how you work: lighting. In this video, we're diving into the science of good lighting and why Neatfi's lamps are designed not just to brighten a room, but to help you work better, more comfortably, and more accurately. Let's get started. Think about a time you tried to read in poor light. You probably leaned forward, squinted, maybe even got a headache. Bad lighting isn't just annoying, it literally causes eye strain. Over time, it can make you tired faster, reduce your focus, and even make you dread certain tasks. Good lighting does the opposite. It supports how your eyes naturally work. It reduces shadows, improves contrast, and helps you see true colors. When you have the right light in the right place, you work longer, feel better, and do better work. That's why Neatfi focuses on task-specific lighting, because what you're doing matters. One of the most important and misunderstood features in lighting is color temperature, or CCT. Ever notice how some light feels yellowish and cozy, while other light feels bright and almost bluish? That's color temperature, measured in kelvins. Warm light around 2,700 to 3,000 Kelvin is great for relaxing or reading at night. Neutral light around 4,000 K mimics daylight without being harsh. Excellent for general work. Cool white or daylight at 5,000 to 6,500 Kelvin is perfect for tasks that need high focus or accurate color. Neatfi's adjustable CCT desk lamps let you switch between these with just a touch. So you're not locked into one type of light, you adapt your environment to your needs. That flexibility isn't just nice, it's healthier. It helps reduce eye fatigue, improve concentration, and even support natural circadian rhythms if you work late. Let's talk about detailed work. If you've ever tried to solder tiny components, paint intricate miniatures, or do professional nail art, you know how quickly your eyes get tired and how easy it is to make mistakes. That's where magnification and lighting need to work together. Neatfi's magnifying lamps combine a high-quality, distortion-free lens with bright, even flicker-free LED illumination. Instead of leaning in and squinting, you can sit comfortably while seeing every tiny detail clearly. The adjustable arms mean you position it exactly where you want. This isn't just about comfort, it's about doing better work. When you can see more clearly, you make fewer mistakes, finish faster, and actually enjoy what you're doing. Now let's step into the garage or workshop. This is a space where lighting is often an afterthought, but it's absolutely critical. Working on cars, carpentry, home repairs, all of these demand good overhead light. Bad garage lighting means dark corners, harsh shadows, and missed details. It can even be dangerous when you're handling tools. Neatfi's garage lights deliver powerful, bright, even illumination across your entire workspace. No more guessing if something's clean, lined up, or properly cut. Just clear, consistent light that lets you focus on the task at hand. Another key factor that often gets ignored: ergonomics. Good lighting isn't just bright, it's well placed. Neatfi lamps are designed with long, highly adjustable arms that let you position the light exactly where you need it. That means less leaning forward, fewer awkward angles, and reduced neck and back strain. And because Neatfi uses flicker-free LED technology, you're protecting your eyes from the subtle, tiring strobe effect that cheap lights often have. It's all part of designing lighting that actually supports the way you work. Lighting is more than just flipping a switch. It's about creating a space where you can do your best work comfortably, safely, and with pride. At Neatfi, we believe lighting should be designed for you, for your needs, your tasks, your workspace. Whether you need an adjustable desk lamp with customizable color temperature, a precision magnifying lamp for crafts and repairs, or bright, reliable garage lighting, there's a Neatfi solution built for it. If you're ready to see the difference for yourself, visit neatfi.com and explore our full range of lighting solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more workspace tips, and tell us in the comments how you use lighting in your own work.